Hello, my name is Cherie and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the exact recipe for my apple cilantro juice drink. And I am using 4 apples and I'm using the Pink Lady apples. I did get a 3-pound bag from Walmart and I will be using a handful of fresh cilantros. I just grabbed a handful out of the bag and I just washed my apples and I washed my cilantros and I rinsed my cilantros. I'm just going to be using my brand new juicer and this is a simple recipe and let me tell you, it was so delicious. But I want you to make sure that you clean your apples and rinse your cilantros off before. And with my juicer that I had to chop my apples and get the seeds out. So I just took the core out and the seeds. But it was easy process, easy. And this juice drink, I think the cilantros was only 89 or 99 cents. And the apples 3-pound bag was $4. So you can get 2 glasses of juice out of this. Now, this recipe only made 1 glass of juice, but it was well worth it. It's very, very delicious. And I think this is my first time owning a juicer. So my first time making a healthy juice drink. So I think I'm going to just be using this every single day. And I really love this recipe, but I just wanted to show you guys how it works. But the link to this, purchase this, will be in the description box. It's well worth it. I just loved how it worked. The setup and everything like that was very, very easy. And you could pull this little notch right here anytime and just let your juice out. So I did do my apples first, and then after them went through, I did do my cilantros. And so you'll see it kind of turning green. But with this recipe, only the 4 apples and a bunch of cilantros. I'm just testing it out today, and it gave me 1 glass, but you will see at the end, and you will see me drinking the drink. So please watch this video till the end. Thank you so much. This drink looks so beautiful. Just really, really green. And let me tell you guys, this drink was so delicious. I couldn't believe how the cilantros and the apples, the flavors just came together. The combination, it was like the best drink I've ever had. And I'm serious. I'm telling you guys the truth. And so I'm going to be making this like a lot more often. Although I got to try other things, but this is the drink. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.